Wave 5, tape 5, creation and manifestation. One more tape to go before I reach wave 6. I can't believe the progress. This tape is an opportunity to manifest, but on a more powerful level. Focus 15 is the state of no time. So when we manifest in the state, we are not limited by time, by when something will happen. When we think about it in this tape, we think about the scenarios as if they already happened. And to be honest with you, in Focus 10, you know there's a tape called 1 month patterning. Ideally, we're supposed to do that tape every day for a month to really connect with the subconscious and make the manifestation happen on a deep level. So you would have to do it for a month every day. Then there's another tape near Focus 12, that's 1 year patterning. So you're going to have to regularly do that specific tape for a year to manifest something that you wish. However, in Focus 15, with this specific tape, we can manifest by only doing it once. 3 very interesting things happened to me within this tape, okay? 3 strange things happened to me with this tape. First thing that happened, the strange thing, was that when I was doing the tape, right? So I was looking at ways, I was manifesting something that I wanted to be. I was manifesting at ways to close the gap between where I am and where I want to be. The gap between that, and seeing how I can make that gap smaller, okay? To be honest, in that moment, I didn't have any real breakthrough, okay, when I was doing the tape. However, guys, honestly, like 4 or 5 hours later, after the tape, I was like walking back home, and randomly in my mind, a really, really good idea came up. Let me close that gap, get closer to where I want to be. Randomly, I was walking, and randomly, this really great idea came up that's going to help me make that gap smaller. And another really strange thing, guys. Okay, this is really strange. I was gonna check the time, right? In the afternoon. This is way after I did the tape. I was checking the time. Before I checked the time. The last time I checked, it was 6:20 p.m. Okay, the last time I checked. Then I checked the time at 6 p.m. So the last time I checked was 6:20, then the next time I check is 6 p.m. That doesn't make any sense. But you know that feeling you have when you have a déjà vu? I had a more powerful feeling than that. It was strange, like, did I travel time, shift dimensions? I saw the time and it was earlier than the last time that I saw it. So I'm not sure what happened, but I completely lost track of time. Like, time was so different for me in that moment. The third strange thing that happened to me, this happened to me in other tapes too, is that when I'm doing the tape, it feels like nothing is really happening, okay? When I'm doing the tape, it feels like nothing is really happening. However, when I finished the tape, I really realized how far I was, how deep I was. I was thinking in a very different way, in a more faster way, more clear way, and in the right way. Way faster processing, and I was in a space that is hard to explain, okay? Like a void. However, I felt so different. So that's what happened, okay? In the tape, I feel like nothing's happening. However, after the tape, I realized how far I really was. To explain to you a bit how things work, is that the binaural beats in the tape that we hear, they help activate hemisync, right? And hemisync helps us get deeper access to our subconscious. So when we're doing this tape, we are making changes on a very deep level. We are receiving information because we are connected to our subconscious. So we are receiving more clear directions and information, and we are also implementing our manifestation on a deeper level. We really want our subconscious to understand what we want. Like, so when we're manifesting in the tape, you don't really just think of what you want, you really try to live it, experience the real thing. Be grateful about it in that moment when you're manifesting. Be thankful that you could have this. Also, affirmations when you're manifesting, like, I am worthy of this, I deserve this, I can do it, you know? So this is kind of how the binaural beats and hemisync help us with the specific tape to manifest on a deeper level and receive clearer information to help us get towards our goal better, faster, and in the best way. Guys, In metaphysics and quantum physics, there's a concept called unified field of consciousness, okay? This is a real thing, okay? It exists, there's proof of it, and it's how many things work. So this tape helps us reach this field of unified consciousness by, so what happens is we're directing energy when we do a tape. We direct energy towards the right things. This is a concept that works, a universal concept, okay? That applies to many things and that really works, and that's what we're trying to do here, guiding energy. So this tape is a great opportunity to manifest on a more powerful level, because in Focus 15, that's the state of no time. So we are not worried about when something is going to happen. It's different from doing manifestation in Focus 10 and Focus 12. So good luck. Let me know if you've done this tape and how it was for you, and I'll let you know when I do the next tape and my experience with it. Wave 6 is very soon. It's very exciting, and I'm looking forward to speaking to you again. Good luck.